What's up, y'all? I've got Gil from Speed and Design here with me, driving the truck. We have customer's 38 Chevrolet and Gil's 55 Chevrolet car loaded in the trailer, and we're headed towards Bartlesville, Oklahoma for the Gathering of the ROC 2025. So this is my first time coming out here. I'm excited to check it out. I've heard nothing but great things about this event. And then Gil is like he's a veteran. He's been here this will be your 5th year, right?
Yes.
So he's been here since they've been having it. So long trek, but we're gonna make it. We're headed there now. So it's Friday morning. We're here at the host hotel. We're about to go to the driver's meeting and kick off this reliability run. I'm super excited about this part. It's going to take us through some old back roads and hills of Oklahoma. Looks like a really neat route, and we'll have it covered for you, so just stay tuned. So one of the great things I've heard about this show, The Gathering at the ROC, is that everyone hangs out here at the host hotel afternoon and evening. So check all these cool cars out all here in one place at the host hotel. episode, we're here walking around the Willow Rock Museum. Here with a guy, he's got the yellow roadster. I think his name's Dave Gray. Yeah, and then Hunter like Dietrich, or what is your name, son?
Dietrich.
So Dietrich Draw Shop, Gray's Garage. We're out here, gathering at the ROC 2025. Oh yeah. Dang, where did you get that?